Today we're gonna make these Brownie Espresso Dessert Martinis only for adults. To get started on making our Brownie Espresso Dessert Martini, I've made here a brownie. You can use box mix, from scratch, whatever you want. And we have little dessert cups here. I'm gonna put that right down in the bottom of our dishes. These are gonna be for adults. This brownie could be for the kids. Now we're gonna take this, poke some holes. Now we're gonna add some Kahlua. Next, we're gonna take some of our Greek coffee ice cream that I've made and had it in the freezer. Scoop that on top, flatten it out. Take some cocoa powder. Cover the whole thing. Top with little coffee beans. And these adult Brownie Espresso Martinis are ready. You're gonna love these Brownie Espresso Dessert Martinis.